All right, this title here, Encyclopedia of Educational Leadership and Administration, is held by 11 USG institutions, but you'll notice that it's not in our institution zone, and we do own it, and this particular title showed up on one of our inventory reports, which was called Barcodes with No Matched Item. And so this is two volumes, volume 1 and volume 2, and the report gives you the barcodes, and then you can take that and extrapolate from the report what items are supposed to be next to these on the shelf, so you can go locate them. And that's what I did. So I discovered that the title was Encyclopedia of Educational Leadership and Administration. So what we're going to do is we're going to add this to our collection, and we're going to do that by clicking on the title. And well, first of all, you see this is the physical record, and then you have 3 e-records here. So this is the one we want, the 2006 edition. Click on the title, then click link, and that links it to your institution zone. And you can click on back, and you'll see that you have an icon now that links you to your institution zone. And you can toggle over there by clicking on that icon, and you'll see that the icon changes to the network zone icon. So now that we're in the institution zone, we're going to click on Edit Record, and we're going to add a holdings record. So we're going to click on Add Holding. And these are in the reference collection, so we're going to select Hightower and Reference Area and click on File, Save Record. And then we're going to click on Add Item. And the item policy here is going to be reference, and the material type is book. And I'm going to look in the gutter of these and see when we received them. And according to the gutter, it says that the receiving date was June 20th, 06. And for inventory date, I'm just going to go ahead and put today's date. And the price was $325. And we have permanent location set to be reference area. Oops. Okay, and we're going to scan the item barcode. And this is going to be volume number 2. And the receiving date again was 2006, June the 20th. And we're going to scan the barcode for this one. All right, and you see we have our volume 1 and volume 2. One thing I want to do is add the call number prefix I'm going to go back to the holdings and add that. One other thing we want to do is further description. We want it to say volume 2, and what you want to do actually is when you're entering this into the enumeration A, you don't want to put volume dot space in there. Alma just wants you to put the numerical value. So we're just going to do 2 and then hit save. Do the same thing for volume number 1. We're just going to enter a 1 right here, and you can hit generate, and then you'll see that it generates the description. So we're going to hit save, and you can see if you click list items that it puts the description in here. And so you see here with the record page, you can see that it's been added to the institution zone, and we have both of our items here. One thing also we need to do is add the local fields. So we're going to go back and add the 970 field. And this was Baker and Taylor. So I'm going to put the price in, and then I'm going to click on File, Save and Release Record. And that'll release the record from my Alma that's running right now. So I guess my instance of Alma that's running, it'll release the record from there. So another staff member could actually work on this record. And you see that I've got some other records in here that I've been looking at, and these need to be released as well, so that another staff member can work on it. Because if you don't release it, it's the record's locked out for everybody else. You might want to open it up and make edits. So you just click on Release All Records. As long as you know that you've saved them, you can do that. And basically that's it. That's how you add an item to your collection if you can find a record in the network zone, and how you link that record from the network zone to your institution and add the holdings and the items.